This is Madison. Today she will be receiving a shampoo, conditioning, and style. We will be using regular human shampoo, conditioner, and detangler and styler to style her hair. She is wrapped in a plastic bag to protect her body. Now that she has been shampooed, conditioned, I am now getting ready to detangle her. I have sprayed the detangling spray on her wet hair, and I am going to gently detangle her hair. And begin to finger detangle as much as you can. Once you have detangled the hair, you can begin to comb it, but you want to keep your hand between the hair and the towel that you have it on, because you don't want the length from the towel to get tangled inside of the hair as you're combing it. But you start combing from the bottom as gently as you can, and then just work your way up to the scalp. It's gonna look a bit overwhelming at first, but once you have detangled it and combed it through, this is what it should look like. This is Madison, shampooed, conditioned, detangled, and straightened. This is the final result. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.